Hi, 8th graders. Welcome back to school. We sent you home with a red bag. You should have received a red bag worth of lab materials. Picked it up on either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday evening. If by chance you didn't get around to that, make sure that you email your teacher and notify them that you still need your red bag for the upcoming labs, especially over the first few weeks when we're not meeting. You'll have a lot of materials in your red bag. Let me go through some of them, tell you what they're used for, and we'll be ready to go here. You have a whole set of materials here that you're going to be using for your eco columns, including your fish food. Remember, just one pinch at a time. Your seeds for the terrarium portion of your eco column. We gave you more than enough soil, and so use what you need in your eco columns. You don't necessarily have to use it all. You might have some leftover soil. You might also have some leftover gravel, which you can use for your matter circus, either the soil or the gravel for your matter circus. Remember your live specimen as soon as you get it home to take the lid off. And if you don't have your eco column set up right away, to do a pinch of fish food every couple of days to keep those fish alive and ready to go. You should receive a ruler, a push pin, your indicator strips either in a container here or on a sheet. Remember that your indicator strips go with the test strips. The test strips fit along really well with the indicator strips. You put them right here on this column grid here, and you can read across your data. Food coloring for one of your labs. Remember that the food coloring is going to stain your fingers or your clothes, so be very careful. You only need a couple of drops each time. You have a 100-meter graduated cylinder. We sent you home with a plastic one so that if it falls down, you're not going to break it. And remember to measure using the meniscus. Everybody knows how to do that. 3 pipettes for different lab activities. 2 balloons. If you happen to break one, you're actually going to cut them anyways. But if you happen to burst one, you can get more balloons from home. On your syringe for your matter circus, just be very careful. They do become pressurized. If you manhandle them or are too rough with them, you're going to break the stem there, so be careful using that. And your deodorizer. Don't play with your deodorizer too much. It'll get your hands nice and smelly, and so just use it as instructed. A couple of things that we didn't put in your red bag that you probably need is a pair of scissors from home, a box of colored pencils, maybe even a plastic cup of some sort for your eco columns. We wish you well. Hope that you'll do well on the first 3 or 4 labs that we have planned for you. Should be a fun and exciting year. We look forward to seeing you come here pretty soon, hopefully in September. Thanks.